If I had 10 rupees for every time someone said, bro, how did I get my first clients? I still be broke because no one actually asked me that. Welcome back to Freelance Friday, where we talk about making money and as a video editor without selling your kidney for a new Mac work. And quick introduction. Hi, I am Nikhil Singh Loh, your friendly neighborhood video editor with experience of 3 years. So today I will tell you 5 practical tips to get your first freelance client. No fluff, no fake lamao. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Start small but start. You don't need a Hollywood client. You just need your first client. Even that's your neighbor dog birthday video. Shoot small project for friends, local businesses, or even that guy from your college who thinks he is starting a podcast. Offer a free discount first project exchange for permission to use in your portfolio. Keep it short, you are not editing avatar. Pro tip, your first goal is not profit, it's proof. Proof you deliver because people hire proof, not potential. Tip number 2, be everywhere your client hang out. If your dream client is a YouTuber, guess what? They are not chilling at your couch. They are not chilling at your cousin's wedding. They are on YouTube or Discord or crying in a coffee shop. Join relevant Facebook group, Discord server, and a niche community. Comment helpful, not spamming. Join relevant Facebook group, Discord server, and niche community. Share mini edit or tip to get noticed. Pro tip, don't just slide into DMs with hey, need an editor? That's like a processing a marriage on the first date. Building a report first. Third tip, build a wow portfolio even if it's fake. Yes, I'm telling you to fake it, kind of. First, create a special edits, re-edit trailer ads or stock footages as if a brand hired you. Make your portfolio look like you are being booked for a month. Keep it short, cinematic, and niche focused. Pro tip, your portfolio should make them say, damn, I want this, not, oh, he's learning. Step number 4, set rates that don't scare them and also you. Here's the mistake, charging too low makes you look cheap, charging too high makes them vanish like you are ex. Research industry rate, look at Fiverr, Upwork, LinkedIn. Start reasonable, then rise as your skill demand grow, and offer package deal with 3 reels, 1 intro video and 2 thumbnails for any X price. Pro tip, always sound confident when starting your rate, even if you are sweating more than your PC running After Effects. Tip number 5. Ask for referral like a boss. Your first client can be your second, third, and your unpaid marketing agent. After delivering a great work, ask, hey, do you know anyone else who might need editing? Offer a small discount for every referral they send. Keep relation warm, check in your every few months. Pro tip, business is like dating. If you ghost your client, they find someone else, and it's usually that guy who edits for pizza money. So your first client isn't about luck, it's about showing up, proving your value, and not being afraid to start small, because every big editor once edited something tiny like a pet video or worse, their own blog. If you like my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe, and here's my other account, please follow them also, and I will meet you next video. Peace out.